Hello and welcome. So from next video, we are going to make a mobile application which is a multi-language translator. So it will allow us to translate our message in a couple of languages. So let's just see how it works. So this is how our application would look like. And here you need to type any message that you want to translate to other language. So let's say I would type here morning. Okay. Now I will click on, let's say I want to change this text to Hindi, and I would click on translate. So you can see that is translated to Hindi, that is Subah. Now I will translate to other language, let's say Marathi. I'll click on translate, so that is also working fine. Now from this list I would choose the other language, which is Portuguese. So let me just click on translate. So that's the Portugal conversion. Now I don't know whether it's right or not because I don't know that language. Now I'll again change the language, let's say Russian. So that is the Russian conversion. I would again change it to Spanish, so that is also working fine. I will change it to Japanese, so that is also working fine. Now I'll change it to Italian, so that is also working fine. So currently I have added only this much language, but you can add as many language as you want. And it's not that you can add only one word, you can add as many words that you want. So let's say I would just say, today is a great day. Okay, so this is a full statement here. Now I will convert this guy to Hindi. So okay, sorry, that was English. So let me just quickly change it to Hindi. So aaj din bahut acha hai, so that is working fine. Now let me just try to convert this guy to, let's say, Marathi. So this is also working fine. And let me just try to convert it to the Japanese. So that is working fine. So let's try to make this application from next video. So we'll see you there. Thank you.